Hi, this is Stefano Pando from Astro Vega. In this video, we will zoom into the Hubble Legacy Deep Field image and see details on the farthest galaxies ever seen before, which stretches back to around 13.3 billion light-years from home. We are looking at a little area in the sky of almost the size of the full moon in the constellation of Fornac's southern hemisphere. This image is a mosaic of several images taken over a decade of work by the Hubble Space Telescope. It has a combination of nearly 7,500 separate exposures. This little chunk of space would represent the farthest region ever seen on an image. The image has a resolution of 25.5K by 25.5K square pixels. Now we will begin a voyage into this deep field image as if we were traveling in space, with a beautiful soundtrack that I created to embellish this ride. Just sit back and let yourself drift into Hubble's Legacy Deep Field image. hope that you enjoyed this visual voyage inside this deep field image. Subscribing to our channel would be awesome. And why not hit the notification bell too? More videos coming up. Clear skies, everyone.